you just all of a sudden just hear the conductor going left, right, left, right.
It's like it's correcting where to aim.
Yeah.
Left,
right,
left, right. Tom Hanks comes out of your gun. Stop moving!
Ticket, please.
Ticket, please.
Ticket, please.
Doesn't have a ticket, shuts down, gun explodes.
And then whenever you like get a kill streak, you just, instead of like, you know, kill streak noises, you just hear the hot chocolate song come on. Hot, hot, ooh, we got it.
Dude, or you get that, or you get this, or you get, the game's over. I've never been late before.
I've never been late before, and I will certainly not be late tonight.
No, oh, dude, I gotta show you a video at some point. It's a video. It's like the quote says, caption says it's like when the car guy tells me how to build my car. Is that he goes, who pulled that emergency brake? You. It's like
He did.
It's that part. He didn't, or it's just where he was walking on. I'll have you know, you. It's just him. He just pulls out a 19 left.
You. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Yeah, you gotta show me that. Whenever you die, all of a sudden, you just wake up and you see that spirit of the train just like, can I do something for you? You know, the spirit guy, the guy that's like,
Oh,
yeah.
you're on the puppet. Oh no. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're in the puppet room.
Yeah, you're just teleporting in the puppet room. Ebony's.
I know who you are. You're a dyer. You're a dyer. You don't believe.
And the ghost is just like, how about a nice cup of Joe?